So I'm about to dig in a little bit more on the car. Haven't done a whole lot the last few days. It's been too darn hot here in the Bay Area. I think it touched 100 degrees outside today. And surprise, not surprise. See the haze over there? Yeah, we got smoke from fires starting to come in already. Summer is gonna be ugly. I think that's the Willow Fire down in Big Sur, Monterey area. Yeah, 100 miles up and we're getting it already. Anyhow, I guess that's a couple of reasons to have, see if I can do this without turning it off. I got my COVID mask on and my glovies. There's a reason for this. You spin back around, climb up under here. Probably won't get a very good view. But the vent has something of a little rat's nest problem. That thing appears to be plumb chuck full of whatever that rat nest material is. So I've decided to go full plague mask, rubber glovies, putting it all in a trash bag and throwing it away as soon as it comes out. Update later. Okay, update. Actually, let me do this. You can probably tell by the covering of sweat that I have succeeded getting the rat's nest out. And pretty much everything is out from behind the dash at this point, except the brake pedal and the gas pedal. I gotta get those still. A couple of wires that go down into the side. And that damn thing. I don't know how you get that light switch out, but it beat me up. I guess I'll have to actually YouTube this. As you can see, I got a little bit of rust in there, not terrible. See, that's not too bad. If you look up though, you got a lot of surface rust. I don't like that. But what's really interesting, and I don't know why this is, must be the way they're made. Look up in there. I can get the light to shine on me. There we go. Look how pristine the metal is up inside. That's up inside the cowl, and yet this is all surface rusty. Very strange. But dash is completely undone at this point. I am going to POR it, or I'm gonna scrape it down as much as possible. I got me a little bristly brush, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna scrub it as well as I can, and then I'm going to POR it. I got some POR 15 around here somewhere. Brand new can. Wonder material. And then I'll decide, is that good enough to just leave, or do I replace the cowl? 150 odd spot welds I would have to drill to get the cowl out. It's only 400 or 350 bucks to replace this piece. Man, it's gonna be a heartache if I have to. So fingers crossed I don't. Anyhow, that's it for now. Cheers.